Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This is Hybrid Plus channel, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the leaf spring suspension operation. At the bottom side you can see the different name components like rebound clip, graduated leaves, central clamp, master leaf, eye with camber. At the top side you can see the operation of the leaf spring 3D. It's due to the load and when the vehicle is moving in the road, especially if the road is a rough road. So I have some definition for the construction of the leaf spring. It's built from the number of leaves held with clamps and bolts at its center. All of the leaves are tending to be straight under the load, and with U-joint they are attached to each other. The longest leaf is a master leaf, and the variation in length is accommodated by the oscillation movement of the shackle. Its supporting axle and also support the weight of the chassis. This type of the suspension we can find in the truck or in the small pickup also you can find, because this type of the suspension is good to carry the load, heavy load also, and it's a long lasting. That's why in the heavy trucks and in the pickup mostly they are using this type of the suspension. At the next slide, I want to talk about the components definition. Eye, first of all, is round eyes or eyelets through which a fastener connects each end of the spring to the vehicle frame or body. Rebound clip in order to maintain leaf alignment and avoid lateral leaf displacement during operation. Rebound clips are included. Central clamp. The central clamp is required to hold the leaves of the spring. At the top side, top photo, you can see the connection, the leaf spring to the chassis. At the both top side it will connect to the frame and to the chassis. The length of a leaf spring from the side, you can see it's more than the width of the tire. The connection is so easy, so simple regarding to other suspension like double wishbone suspension or McPherson. In here we have the definition of the master leaf that I said in the first slide also. At the bottom you can see the operation of the leaf spring in the trucks. That you can see the operation is so simple and good, but it's not that much soft, but it can carry the heavy load. Because of the vast amount of the metal stressed together, leaf spring offer a fragile of support between the wheels axles and car chassis. Heavy duty industries still use them because of their tight design, which allows them to endure enormous vertical loads. So that's why it's the main reason that still in the industries and heavy vehicles, even the pickup, they are using this type of the suspension. Definition of the bushes, that the leaf spring bushings stabilize the movement of the rear axle. Inferior bushes in this area will cause the solid rear axle to move and impart rear and passive steer to the vehicle. It also causes the vehicle to wander all over the road and be unstable under heavy braking. According to the photo, if you see, when it's distorting rear OEM rubber leaf spring, how the vehicle will be in the corner, and if it's energy suspension polyurethane bushing, how it will be. Like it has a high effect to the material of the bushing and the type of the connection to it. It has a less body roll shift, but the top side, if you see, totally the shape of the vehicle, when it turns in the road it will changing. So it's the key point of the bushing to use in the leaf spring. It has a 2 bush to 3 for the leaf spring suspension, and the longest leaf is the master leaf. The other type like the 6 or other type of the leaf spring called graduated leaves. Mostly one leaf spring it has 6 to 7 or maybe 5, but it depends to the construction. And the last slide, you can see the operation again of the leaf spring, but from the top side. And from the bottom it has a little bit like definition for the two top corner. Thanks to watch my videos, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Also press the bell button. Thank you so much.